We lost some footage, but we were able to retrieve some of this back. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make pro review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. We're here at one of the clearance sections here for the carpet and all that. We got some good clearance deals and some new deals that just dropped. This one's mostly for carpet. This is the pry bar, and this is a carpet seam roller. So any of you that do carpets or just general stuff, this is a cushion back cutter. Basically all the store has a bunch of clearance stickers. I'm just gonna not go over all of them because you guys are getting this video will be like 4 or 5 hours long. We're just gonna go over some of the tools for each department. We got the faucet here at $92, down from $185. And there's a tag if you guys want to look them up. Got the Delta here for $39, was $159. That's a pretty good deal. So a bunch of there. Same thing with the windows. Always look at your windows. Make sure you guys, if you guys are doing remodels and all that. There's a lot of good deals here at the windows, half price. These are brand new windows. And they had a whole bunch of these in the back. So always look at those. Same thing with the doors. Alright, so onto the tools. We got the Skill 7 1/4 for $748. Then we got a Skill 15 amp 7 1/4, $49. That's not bad. Skill drill. This is a 12 volts half an inch, $59. $14.98 for the Skill 21 piece. Was $69. And there is the drill at the bottom. A few of them already sold. It's pretty good deals. And then $69.98 for $99. It was $99. And then you got a 16-piece reciprocating saw blade set for $24.98. Made in the USA. Does come with a nice holder. $19.98 for the 20-piece screwdriver set. We sent this at the holiday season. I still think it's a pretty good deal. You do get the bottle opener, the precision, and the offset screwdrivers there. Plus your normal screwdrivers with some demolition screwdriver, I believe you guys get with that one. Or some high leverage. 23 gauge pen nailer for $209 was $229. This is an 18 bolt tool. And then we got another one here. 18 gauge nailer. $259. Then we got finish 15 gauge nailer for $129. That's pneumatic. Then we got a finish nailer 16 gauge 2.5, $279. Was $299. And that's it right there. And then we got a 21 degree framing nailer for $349, was $369. This box is a little beat up, so. You got the Flex. You guys don't know the Flex tools. Some of these did go down in price. So this was $99, was $199. You got the same thing with these deals. You got the Power Stack. Buy the Power Stack for $199, get a free tool. Obviously the SDS is going to be your best bet. One of the better deals. Pretty much any of these are pretty good. They're all brushless tools. You do get a deal here with the gift card. You get $15 off or something like that. So if you guys are planning to invest. And then you got $59 was $99. This is a clearance section here that they got. For a shop vac 4 gallon. Commercial grade. 1047 was $35.98. And they're all sold out. Got the buy more, save more from Skill. You buy $250 or more, save $75. Buy up to $249, save $35. Buy up to $174.99, save $10. That runs into the 5323. Cobalt Same thing, you buy 300, save 100, buy 200, save 50, buy 100, save 20. Obviously the 300 is going to get you the best deal. $62 on clearance, rapid charger with USB, Metabo HPT. Buy one, get one free. Buy the 36 volt 4 amp hour battery starter kit. Get a 36 volt spare tool. That runs up to $419. $944 was $26.98. Some gloves. I don't know exactly if these are it, but you know, you guys could look up the tag. $594 was $16.98. Get the mechanics. Same thing with the Craftsman. You buy $149 for the 2 4s, a charger, and get a free tool. I would definitely get the angle grinder, the impact wrench. The router's pretty good. Oscillating tool. DeWalt, same thing. You buy a tool, get a free charger, and 2 batteries, a big battery and a small battery. The SDS and the ratchet's pretty good. They actually have a brand new deal. I believe they just dropped. I haven't seen this at the stores yet. Some of the items that you have there at the bottom, like I never seen, or I have seen them before, but it's not. It looks like a new deal that's just gonna drop. This is some of the tools that are eligible to get for free with that toolkit. And that is the toolkit that you have to buy. You purchase that, and then you get a free tool there from the bottom. $21.98 was $27.98. This is the black and gold. You got this on clearance. This is a 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, $203, down from $269. That's not bad. This is actually a pretty good deal. If it drops down to on the hundreds, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it because it's a really dang good deal for a 10-inch double bevel miter saw. I got a 500 hybrid rechargeable lights, $35 on clearance. You got a 13-in-1 double drive screwdriver for $9.98. 227 piece for $219. On sale, it has a whole bunch of sockets, some wrenches, combinations. $19.98 for the 2-pack of 25-foot wide blade. And I'll demonstrate how it looks right now. So very clear. I really like the white and the black contrast. And it is labeled on both sides. You got $5.98 for any of these. You got the 10-in-1 screwdriver. It says 6-in-1 screwdriver, so I don't know. There we go. They're mixed up. Then you got the precision screwdriver set there, the 10-in-1. $14.98 for the 500 lumen swivel flashlights. And then got a 350 lumen, $14.98. They do come with batteries. I personally do not like battery operated flashlights because you have to keep investing in batteries. I got the extreme impact driver and then the drill driver. So I will definitely stay away from these and get this deal, the impact driver and drill driver with the free tool. Much better deal. I think that kit's $199 and get yourself a free tool. So definitely check that one out. Got $24.98 for the 55 piece, $14.98 for 35 piece. Pretty decent deal. Got some nut drivers, bit holder, some Robertsons, some 2-inch bits and some 1-inch bits there to the left. Bunch of different sizes, very complete kits. $249. I would definitely stay away from this one. Just buy them separately at $99. Plus, if you guys do buy up to the buy more save more, buy up to that $500, you're gonna save $150. So that's gonna bring it down even more. So just keep that in mind when you're buying a Flex. Guys, that's it for today. Make sure you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.